HEB Supermarket, a fixture in Texas. Let's go in and get us some groceries so we can cook something. Let's go see what we got in here. There's awful small. I'll take one. Look what I found. Holy moly. Dang, that looks good. Wow, looking really good. Favorite aisles in the entire supermarket is the bells. Look at those yellow bells. Wow. Yep, that's one of my favorite aisles. An impressive amount of different fruits, and that's all different types of things. You name it, they have it. Wow, apples, lots of different apples, lots of different apples. Yep. Potatoes, sweet potatoes. Get us a couple of sweet potatoes. Wow, that's what I want. That's what I want, the golden. Yes, ma'am. These are about the best potatoes going, these golden potatoes here. You see me use these to make the French fries that we're cooking outside, and yummy. We'll get a bunch of those and we'll have enough to cook some French fries. There you go. We'll walk through the bakery aisle, look at the yummies over here. All of the things, all fresh baked back in their kitchen here. All fresh baked bread right here in the supermarket. And homemade tortillas. Alright, I'm going to have to turn the camera off and look around for a little while. This looks yummy. I think I'm going to focus in on some of those babies right there. I'm going to show you guys the immensity of the selection here. Cheeses, all different types of cheeses, soft cheeses, hard cheeses. You name it, they have it here. And they pre-package some cheese so you grab and go. Just walk right past this deli counter here. Sushi selection. How about sushi? We got some sushis here. Ready-made, up and down. We have enough refreshments in this supermarket. You could probably find your favorite beer, IPA, import, export. It's all here. HEB's got just about everything. And then this side of the aisle is all the wines. rows and rows and rows of wines. You can see all back in there. There's lots of wines, and then back out with the standard beers, and that's it. Oh, we still got and we have a little Yingling sitting right there. This aisle has a bunch of specialty foods on it. Back Another one of my favorite aisles in the supermarket. Well, I'm going to go slow right here. You go slow with that cast iron. Green pans, never stick pans, square skillets, let's see what this compatible set. All stove tops, including induction. There you go, there's the key word nowadays, induction.